Boom shakalaka, what is going on everybody? Randall here from Crypto Love, and today is Wednesday, July 25th, 2018. Now, taking a look at things, little bit of a red market today. Things are down a little bit, but hey, we've had some pretty stellar days recently, mostly in the green. Before we get into things, guys, just pause and read the disclaimer. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for nuking the shit out of the like button with your elbows and knees and the 8 limbs and everything. And if you want to win one of these shirts, make sure to comment on this video and every other video to enter for your chance to win. What's up, everybody? Now, taking a look at things. Where are we? Market cap still under $300 billion. Couldn't break through there. Couldn't break through there. A third of a trillion. Couldn't break through. But maybe in dark mode. Still under 300 trillion. All right, so light mode. Bitcoin dominance on the rise, 47.1%, nearing 50% Bitcoin dominance. That's pretty crazy. So over the past week, we've seen Bitcoin soaring up. Haven't really seen a lot of the altcoins going up with Bitcoin, but there are some that are making moves. Bitcoin just over $8,000 today, was a little bit higher. We'll take a look at that in a second. Ethereum at 466, couldn't break through 500. Other ones and places where they are. The big movers for today, IOST up 28%. ZenCash up 16%. They got an announcement coming up, so we'll go into that. Also Polymath, Binance Coin, GX Chain, all of those up. So, before we get into just the Bitcoin charts, I always like to look at this website every once in a while. I know I don't tell you guys about it, but On-Chain FX, it's fun because what you can do is you can select the percent down from all-time highs and also the year 2050 implied market cap. So that's when all the coins that will be mined in 2050 are available there. So you can take a look at those things. It's a little bit different compared with coin market cap, but it's fun to look at. I like to look at the percent down from all-time highs. So Bitcoin is down 59%. That's one of the highest, the lowest down aside from Binance Coin. Binance Coin's only 41% down from all-time highs. Tells you that it's a little bit more stable than even Bitcoin itself. But there are some big ones down in the top 10 to the top 20. The first one in the 90s. Which one was it? I forget. Here it is. NEM. All right. Also Qtum, Bitcoin Diamond. I'm not thrilled about any of those, but in the 60s, 70s, and 80s, there's a lot of really great deals here. Stellar Lumens, Neo, blah, blah, blah. Okay. You guys can do that on your own. OnChainFX.com. So, anyways, taking a look at Bitcoin, it just blows my mind every day how simple technical analysis is. It blows my mind. I mean, look at this. You can't make this stuff up. Just using the Fibonacci retracement, a couple support and resistance lines, and channels, everything follows it. It's absolutely mind-blowing. Absolutely. So, I mean, check it. We've been in this ascending channel pretty much since the 14th of July, been going up. Most of the gains have been made in just 4 short days, these huge giant candles here. But anyways, we broke through previous resistance at 7,600. Again, broke through this Fibonacci line at 7,900. Got up to 8,400, which is what I predicted once we broke through the 7,900 line. And then boom, some resistance. Look at that. I mean, it's right on the line there. You can't make that stuff up. So, a little bit of a pullback. And then we'll see, will it come back up? Will it break through there? Because if it does, it'll be heading for 9,000, 10,000, much bigger gains like that. So I'll have to keep an eye. MACD is still looking pretty nice. I love trading just on the MACD alone. It's super simple. I only have to make one trade every couple weeks. Very simple. For lazy traders like myself, you could even make a bot out of it and do it like that. So that's just that. Now, the big news today, the huge news today, the monumental news today, the epic news today, the stellar news. No, we're not talking about stellar here. The Coinbase news today. A new way to spend your Coinbase cryptos with e-gift cards. So starting today, customers in the EU and Australia, not you suckers in the US, because everybody hates people who are in crypto in the US. Fuck it. Well, you're able to instantly spend their cryptocurrency on e-gift cards using WeGift. You can shop Nike, Tesco, Uber, Google Play, Ticketmaster, Zalando, and more. And pretty cool, zero Coinbase withdrawal fees on bonuses and select e-gifts. So it's currently available in the UK, Spain, France, Italy, Netherlands, and Australia. All super sweet places to live, much cooler places than the US to live. And all you need to do is go to wegift.io/Coinbase to get started. That's huge news because guess what? Now you can buy shit with your cryptocurrency. But for those countries, it's pretty easy anyways because you could just get, cards and stuff. Anyways, so also Coinbase in the news because they have been cleared of alleged insider trading. A lot of you have been around a while. Remember back in December, the Bcash debacle where Roger Ver was insider trading. Now Coinbase took a look at themselves. They also had a couple law firms take a look at them, and an investigation has found that none of the firm's employees participated in insider trading. Yeah, no shit. Roger Ver doesn't work for Coinbase. Duh. But anyways, it's still unclear why Bcash saw such a run-up in the days preceding the Coinbase listing. It's not really that unclear. Somebody was insider trading. But the aforementioned inquiry seems to have cleared all the firm's employees of financially motivated crimes or malpractices, at least for now. So it's not someone in Coinbase who did it. It's Roger Ver. Also in the news, Andrew Yang's presidential candidate, I have no idea who he is. I don't actually pay attention to politics. I think it's a crock of shit. Especially since they convinced us that our votes actually matter and then they go and rig the elections. And at that hacking convention in Las Vegas, they've proved that every single voting machine can be hacked in some as short as a few minutes up to like an hour or something. So anyways, off of that little political podium, but he's accepting Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptos for his campaign. That's pretty rad. Okay, he may be one of the first people to accept cryptos for his presidential campaign. Now, I'll tell you one thing. When we finally get voting on the blockchain, okay, to decentralize trust, to let us know that voting is actually legitimate, then I'll be super stoked. But until then, supporting campaigns with cryptos is pretty cool. Ethereum also in the news. Yesterday, Google had an announcement about their cloud platform blockchain adoption. Well, they've gone on to talk about Ethereum. So the Google blog post mentioned that users will be able to try open source integrations of Hyperledger Fabric and Ethereum in their Google Cloud Platform marketplace later this year. Very cool. So what that means, to me at least, that means that Ethereum, the price is probably going to go up. I mean, considering how far it is down from all-time highs, look at that, 67% down from all-time highs. I mean, price could probably go up. Now, Binance recently, we all know Vechain mainnet going from VEN to VET, VEN to VET, and Binance stepping up. They're supporting the distribution of VThor to VET gosh, why can't I talk today? VThor to VET holders. So basically, Vechain's pretty cool. It's kind of like Neo and Neo Gas. How you hold Neo, you get Neo Gas. Well, Vechain's doing the same thing. You hold VET, your VEN automatically transfers to VET. But you hold VET, and then you get VTHO as like the gas. Pretty sweet passive incomer's wet dream. So someone on Reddit wrote this article. Is there any particular reason why nobody's talking about how incredibly smooth Vechain's conversion to VET has been? Yeah, because it's been smooth. We only talk about shit. Like, no wonder EOS has been in the news every day for the past 2 weeks, 3 weeks, because their transition to mainnet has been anything but smooth. However, Vechain's has been super smooth, so no one's been talking about it. But he talks about a few things that, we might as well talk about it because that's what I can do here. 1, the swap was perfect, so withdrawals and deposits made at the proper time. 2, Binance launched the trade at the exact time, so getting Binance to do that stuff. 3, the wallet is incredibly simple, sleek, with little bugs. 4, the wallet made depositing extremely easy. And for B, most importantly, people instantly started generating VTHO. That's freaking rad. And 5, Vechain has been transparent. So I think Vechain has done a very good job on all of that stuff. Stellar also in the news to trial blockchain payments in B2B. That's business to business, not balls to balls for all of you dudes out there. Cross-border payments with TransferTo. So TransferTo is a multinational B2B remittance system. Sign-a-deal with Stellar Foundation in a bid to attract new clients by cutting the cost of payments. So basically, TransferTo is going to integrate Stellar's blockchain-based system for more seamless and efficient cross-border facilitation services. Another great partnership for Stellar, who has partnerships with IBM, with different things. According to TransferTo's cover map, the company currently operates in more than 70 countries. That's a lot. Big span across the world. So good job, Stellar. Also, big news today for ZenCash. Who knows what it's going to be? It's actually in about 50 minutes. We'll all find out what it's going to be. But ZenCash has some Zentastic announcements on YouTube today at 1 p.m. They're going to talk about a brand that basically what's happening. Their brand is expanding. Don't miss out. They have that going on. So big announcement. You guys might want to watch that if you like ZenCash. Or if you don't watch it. Last little thing, because I like to end with a little happy note. This article on 21 million talks about he wants ETFs to be around as soon as possible, as do most of us, because the price of Bitcoin would shoot up, maybe even $60,000 per Bitcoin. But he says, what is this dude's name? Plunditry. Okay? I think it's important to stay realistic and be prepared for it to be delayed or rejected for 2 main reasons. 1, the government's a piece of shit. No, hang on. Let me read. The government operates excruciatingly slow. And 2, the government is more conservative than the private sector. So, whether an ETF is approved in August next year or not at all, I'm still extremely bullish on Bitcoin in the short and long term. Why? Many reasons, and a lot of them are pretty cool. So first off, there will never be more than 21 million Bitcoins in existence. And actually, like over 4 million are lost forever. So really, there's never going to be more than 17 million. And I think it's like 11 million in circulation, something super small like that. So as long as you accept the basic premise that Bitcoin will be used by an increasing number of people in the future, supply and demand principles should drive the price up over time. Basic economics, supply and demand, yes, it's deflationary. So yeah, that's going to be awesome. Another factor not talked about often is Bitcoin's fractionalization. The idea that you can own as little as 1/1,000,000 of a Bitcoin makes it much more accessible and psychologically appealing and scalable to the general public. That's a big thing because people who want to get started, they're like, but I can't afford a Bitcoin. It's like, yeah, you can buy as little as you want. See, more than half of Americans have less than $1,000 in their savings account. Until that changes, they'll never be able to afford even a single share of Amazon stock because stocks are only traded in whole numbers and Amazon stock is at $1,824. But they can own a piece of Bitcoin. And lastly, just taking a look at Bitcoin price over the past 5 years. This year, 8,200. Last year, 2,754. The year before that, 661, 288, 601, and 94. And it was even less before that. So, prices are going up because simple economics. Love that Bitcoin. So, that's all the news that's fit to print today. Couple announcements before I go. First thing, I will be at Coinvention in Philadelphia, August 30th and 31st. So if you live in the Northeast of the United States, you want to come see me, or if you want to travel from all over the world, I'll be there. Links down in the description. Also, I'll be at World CryptoCon, October 31st through November 2nd in Vegas, Sin City. Sign up using my link below for $250 off of the ticket price. And if 200 people sign up using my thing, I get a Lambo for the week, and I'm driving you guys around the Lambo. So make sure you go to that one. And then lastly, if you want to win a shirt, make sure to comment on this video, every other video. Also, if you don't want to wait to win, you can go buy one right there. crypto-love.com/shop. Also have the brand new Crypto Love Academy. Tons of training stuff there. Check it out. Also, you can support me on Patreon because, you know, I do these videos for you for free. And then also, if you want daily trading signals, head on over to that link there for signal profits. So we have a couple of winners. We're going to have some winners for the t-shirt, just one winner for the t-shirt. Okay, yesterday had 2 videos. I was very proud of this thumbnail that I made today. It was pretty cool. But yesterday, 1 is the news, 2 is the live stream. So, ready? Brrr. Number 2, the live stream. Somebody wins at the live stream. Who's it going to be? Who's going to be the lucky winner? We will find out. Let's see. Oh, man. BitBoy Crypto here again. What's up? And Randall McMurphy. Everybody's just hanging out at the live stream. How many comments do we have? My goodness. Why is this taking forever today? I don't know. There we go, 47 comments. All right, ready? Good luck, everybody. I hope all of you win. But only one person can win. There can be only one. And it's Eric Swells. He's loving this price action. He's probably swelling down in the pants because of this price action. So congratulations, Eric Swells. You win a t-shirt, one of these awesome t-shirts. Email me at the email my about page, and I will send you a t-shirt anywhere in the world. As for the rest of you, thank you so much for watching. Guys, today at 5 p.m., I have a pretty sweet video coming out. My top crypto picks for August. So make sure you check out that. I'll see you guys later. Have a good one. Love you all. All right? Peace.